Do you realize that your phone knows more about you than your doctor? I'm going to show you how and why. Now, for this demonstration, I'm using Android phone, but for most phones, the process is almost the same. So what you need to do, you go to settings, then look for location. Click location, then click app permissions. Now, under allowed all the time, I need for you to check how many apps you've got there. Let me wait. Allowed all the time means that these apps are always monitoring you. They always know where you are. When you are at your doctor's, running errands, when you are at work, when you are sleeping, these apps know where you are, tracking you. And the most uncomfortable part of this is that these very apps don't even need this information. So what is it used for? What happens is that they gather this information, they sell them to either data brokers, or do you wonder why sometimes you think about some items, hours later you start seeing these items appearing on your screen? This is how they gather all this personal information about you and sell them to different people who need them. Now, how do you fix this? Now, there is a balance to strike here. Under allowed all the time, you've also got an option allowed only while in use, which means that only when you are actually using this application that is gathering the data. So, which means that at least you know that this data is being gathered. Then below that, you see not allowed. So, depends on what the app, what you use them for, that is what will determine how you want the options that you chose. For example, you might want to use the second option, or under allowed all the time, maybe navigation websites, for example, or navigation apps might be the only thing that needs that if you really need it. Otherwise, the right balance would be to use allowed only while in use. Now, let me show you what to do. Let's say this very, whatever this is, Bixby, I can click on it. Here you can choose what you or what option you want, or what under what category you want to put this in. Now you can choose don't allow. Now you can also choose ask every time, which means that when you click on it, it then asks you whether you want it to track or your location or not. Also, you have this option allow only while in use. So what I could do here is I could choose allow only while in use. Then I can click there. Now let me go back. Here you see that it's now under allowed only while in use. If I wanted, I could also just say don't allow. Then let me click there. Then when I go back, you see it's under don't allow or not allowed, which means that which means that it's not tracking my location anymore. Here now, the only thing I've got here under allowed all the time is Google. So, like I said, based on what you use the app for, you can always find the right balance. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to subscribe to the channel? I'm going to show you other security measures you need to take in order to keep yourself safe. Thank you.